Hey guys, it's Remington Clark, and today we are building up my 2023 Trek Supercaliber to be a super light marathon mountain bike machine. The goal is going to be sub 21. We're going to see if we can do that. And I'll wait before and after the upgrades. Fingers crossed, she's going to be really fast. 24.2. And that includes the reverb axis. It's a pretty light saddle. I think it's titanium and carbon. And then we have XX1 with the power meter in the front, normal Shimano cranks. We have alloy wheels, both the front and the back. Those are just ones I had because I sold the other wheels that came on it. And that's a Cross King in the front and a Race King in the back. And then up here, up front, we have the RSL bars. First thing I'm going to do is strip off all the basic parts on here so I can get a good clean of the bike, and then from there we can start doing the upgrades.
I love your mother's stories about you as a kid. I heard you scored a job in the East Village. Well, working for some folks who don't know your name. Well, ain't you gonna miss all of them wasted days? We'd sit around drinking out of Sarah's place. Don't come back, lover, I'm proud you're under the skyline. Long before I knew the half of half I'm sure of now. Though I'd say it ain't the way that you'd have gone about it. Follow me and lead me on and never let me down. So I'll love you till my lungs give out. I ain't lying. I'm all yours. You're all mine. There ain't two ways around it. There ain't no trying about it. I'm all yours. You're all mine.
So the first of the upgrades I'm going to do is going to be the Fox Transfer SL. I had this on my last bike. I freaking love it. It is the lightest a dropper post you can find anywhere, at least for 100 mil. There we go. It's really fast. The next thing to pair with that, I have the Pro Logo Dimension 143. It's got the titanium rails, and then it's all carbon, so it's really light, really comfortable. I truly believe this is one of the best saddles you can buy. I just spent 2 hours trying to figure out how to route the cable for my dropper post, and I'm gonna show you how to do it just in case anyone else wants to see, because there's nothing else online about it. Run the cable through the top, through the down tube, and then here's what got me. I couldn't figure out how to get it over the bottom bracket, and so I had to take off the bottom pivot bolt, shift this up, and then bring the magnet around here, bring it up all the way, and then go up there. So it's not the best on the Supercals, but you know, I figured it out. Alright, so now when I press this, the saddle goes down and it goes right back up. Look at that. This is the bike looks right now. This is the state of the room, so got some work to do. Probably gonna put it back together and then finish this tomorrow. Alright, it's a new day. I'm wearing the same exact hat. We have the Gulo Wheels, Gulo Composites. They're one of my sponsors. Super stoked for this. These wheels are 1,200 grams, and they should make a massive impact on the weight of the bike. So let's get these things open.
Truck swings on porches, a poor boy's choir, my blood's at a boil. There ain't no fire, I just love the way the light beams in. But I got bad news, I'm fearing Friday again. Choking on some bourbon when you roll up.
Alright, so here's the sealant I'm running. The new Silica Ultimate Sealant, I guess. Apparently it's like the best stuff you can possibly get. And it's supposed to seal like every hole you can get in your tire. So hopefully this stuff works.
There's a house hopping on the edge of town. I'm revved up, thirsty, and ready to drown. I got a fear, dear, that it's gonna end. Won't you get angry at me? Say you love me again. I got a fear, dear, that it's a Friday spark. You only love me.
This is the weight we're starting off with. So 23.08 before the wheels. So that's with the current wheels, the current alloy wheels.
We can hide out tonight out where the trees get clear. Please you eyes, a man's worst fear.
Next up, we're going to put the rotors on the wheels. These are some of the lightest ones you can get. These are the level or centerline X's, I believe. And for mountain biking, they work really well. You could go lighter, but at that point, you start sacrificing a lot with like your braking performance and stuff. And so I think these are pretty good.
I got a feeling that it's gonna end. Won't you get angry at me? Say you love me again. I got a feeling that it's a Friday spark. You only love me like you mean it when it's after dark. I got a fear, dear, that it's gonna end. Won't you get angry at me? Say you love me.
Now we're at 21.36. Third and final day of the bike build. We just got the bars chopped down at the bike shop to 690 mil. Now it's time to put the grips on.
Running through the fields where palms cut hay, heading down to the creek for 3 or 4 days. Grab my fishing pole.
These are the pedals I'm putting on. These are the Expedo something. I don't know. They're super light. They're titanium. They're like 100 grams less than the XTR pedals. So like some of the lightest SPD compatible pedals you can get.
Baby's in the front seat and the guitar's in the back. Never know what you have till you take a look in the past. Mama's ringing that bell.
Alright, so package from Outrider. These are their tire pressure sensors. So here are the sensors. These aren't available just yet, but we're gonna do some testing, throw them on the bike, see how they work, and give them some feedback.
Mama's gonna be mad when she finds out we're not at home. Heading down the back road laughing, we don't give a crap what happens. Might have made enough time for each other, ain't got time for Sunday supper.